Guys, this is Electronic Consumer back with a brand new video, and today guys I'll be doing a quick drop test. This is the Samsung S3 Mini, so we're going to do face down, back, side, and probably another side view, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to go like this. So, still good condition. So I'm going to do it again because I think I went a little bit like light with it, so I'm gonna go a little harder. So I'm gonna just go like, let's go. Screen is still good, so let's try corner drop like that. So let's go. Ooh. So still managed survive. The corners are still like damaged a little bit. So I'm gonna go a little more rough with it. So let's check this out. Okay, I'm just smacking really hard. Oh, snaps. Well, this phone did survive. And let's check if it works real quick. Wow, still works. Well, that was a quick video, guys, to see if the S3 Mini will survive the drop test. And it did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.